The Apollo's history all started in 1914, when the theater was constructed on 125th Street in the heart of Harlem. Originally it was named Herding and Seaman's New Burlesque Theater, and African Americans were not allowed in the audience. In 1934, the Apollo Theater opened its doors for the first time. Ralph Cooper Sr., Benny Carter, and 16 hot steppers dazzled the crowds with jazz a la carte. This is the Apollo's first colored review. That same year, Cooper decided to air a live version of his already popular radio show, Amateur Night at the Apollo. The world-famous Apollo Theater is so much more than a historic landmark. It is a source of pride and a symbol of the brilliance of American artistic accomplishment. One of the most famous dances of the Harlem Renaissance was the swing. And I believe we have some swing dancers in our audience today.
It's two sailors and they're on lead. Pipes and chains and swinging hands. Who's your daddy? Yes, I am. That cat can play now. I can't run fast enough. You better stay away when the pushers come to shove. Zoot, zoot, riot. Throw back a bottle of beer. Zoot, zoot, riot. I'll come through your cold black hair. Sammy, and you understand. In my face like music ran. You got me in a sway, and I want to sway you down. Now you sailors know where your women come along. So sweet riot, throw back a bottle of beer. So sweet riot, hold a cold through cold black hair. Zoot-za-za, zoot-za-zoo-zay. Play-a-ba-dee-up, zay-zay-zay. Ba-doo-za-ya-ya-ya, ba-doo-za-zoo-zay. Zay-zo-zay-zay-zo, day-day-day. Oh, you got me in a sway, and I want to sway you down. Now you sailors know where your women come.
Ready to sing it.